Imagine this. The world is full of chaos, wars are rising, people have lost morality, and according to Hindu scriptures, this is exactly the time when the 10th and final avatar of Lord Vishnu, Kalki avatar, will appear. But here's the shocking question. Has Kalki already been born? Let's dive deep into the ancient predictions that might just blow your mind. In Hindu mythology, Lord Vishnu takes avatars whenever evil rises and dharma is in danger. From Rama to Krishna, each avatar came in different ages. According to scriptures, the last and final avatar, Kalki, will appear in Kaliyuga, the age of darkness, to destroy adharma and restore balance. The scriptures say he will ride a white horse, carry a blazing sword, and end this age of corruption. Now let's see what the ancient texts really say. Delving into the sacred verses of the Bhagavata Purana, one of Hinduism's most revered scriptures, we find detailed prophecies. This ancient text describes that the savior, Kalki, will be born in the mystical village of Shambhala. Often depicted as a hidden kingdom of immense spiritual power, Shambhala is said to be a beacon of light in a darkening world. The prophecies state he will be born into a distinguished Brahmin family, the traditional keepers of sacred knowledge. The scriptures are remarkably specific, even naming his parents. His father will be Vishnu Yasha, a name meaning glory of Vishnu, and his mother Sumati, meaning good mind. Their very names foretelling their child's divine purpose. From a young age, Kalki will display extraordinary abilities, mastering both scriptures and the art of warfare. He is prophesied to ride a celestial white horse, Devadatta, and wield a blazing sword to vanquish adharma, or unrighteousness. His ultimate mission is to confront and destroy Kali, the malevolent personification of the current age of darkness, the Kaliyuga, and end the pervasive cycle of corruption. For centuries, these were stories of a distant future. But here's the electrifying twist, bringing this ancient prophecy into our present reality. A growing number of contemporary spiritual leaders and astrologers claim the precursors to Kalki's arrival are not just on the horizon, they are already here. They point to escalating global conflicts, widespread social decay, and unprecedented environmental crises as the very symptoms of the Kali Yuga reaching its nada, the dark conditions the Puranas describe as necessary for the savior's appearance. Look around. The rise of technology, wars, natural disasters, increasing crime, and moral decline. Many believers say these are signals that Kali Yuga is reaching its peak. Some even say the Kalki avatar must already be here among us. Just like Krishna grew up in Gokul without the world realizing he was divine, Kalki could be living somewhere right now, hidden, waiting for the moment to rise. The exact timing of Kalki's arrival is a subject of intense debate, giving rise to several fascinating theories. One compelling idea suggests he is not a future figure, but is already walking among us. Proponents point to interpretations placing his birth in the early 1980s, making him a man in his 40s today. He could be living an ordinary life, unaware of his divine destiny, observing the world's chaos while waiting for the prophesied moment to reveal himself. A different school of thought, rooted in Vedic astrology, offers a more traditional timeline. Their calculations point to a future date, the year 2025. These predictions are based on rare planetary alignments and cosmic cycles, believed to signal the arrival of great avatars. According to this view, the convergence of celestial bodies in 2025 will create the auspicious cosmic window for the birth of a being destined to reshape the world. Then there are more contemporary theories suggesting Kalki isn't someone to be born, but one who already holds influence, a charismatic leader, a tech innovator, or a revered spiritual guru. This theory posits that Kalki is hiding in plain sight, his true identity only to be revealed during an unprecedented global crisis, when humanity is most desperate for a savior. These diverse theories stem from the same fundamental hope. But are these predictions the result of genuine prophetic insight, or a reflection of our own anxieties and a deep-seated human desire for a messiah? The line between prophecy and projection remains blurred, leaving the world to wonder and wait. The story of Kalki is powerful, but what if it's part of a much larger global narrative? A thread of hope woven through the spiritual tapestry of humanity. This idea of a future savior, a divine intervention at a time of ultimate crisis, is not unique to Hinduism. It's a universal prophecy. In Christianity, believers await the second coming of Christ, a prophesied return to judge the world and establish an everlasting kingdom of peace. In Islam, the faithful anticipate the arrival of the Mahdi, an eschatological redeemer who will appear to end tyranny and injustice. And in the serene traditions of Buddhism, the prophecy speaks of Maitreya, the future Buddha, who will descend from the heavens to reawaken the world to the path of enlightenment. These figures, though born of different cultures and scriptures, share a common mission. And within the vast expanse of Hindu cosmology, this role is destined for Kalki. He is the final incarnation of Vishnu, the preserver, whose arrival signals the dramatic conclusion of the Kaliyuga, the age of darkness. Like the others, his purpose is not just destruction, but a grand cosmic reset. This striking parallel across civilizations begs a profound question. Is it mere coincidence that these diverse faiths all converge on this singular, powerful idea? Could these be echoes of a single ancient promise, or a collective yearning for justice and redemption? Whether you call him Christ, Mahdi, Maitreya, or Kalki, the essence of the prophecy remains the same, a beacon of hope, promising that even in our darkest hour, light will ultimately prevail. Some believers even claim unusual signs are already appearing. Unexplained natural disasters, rapid changes in climate, the rise of artificial intelligence, and global unrest, all are seen as indicators that the end of Kaliyuga is near. Ancient texts describe Kaliyuga as lasting 432,000 years, but some scholars argue that this timeline might be symbolic, not literal. If that's true, Kalki could appear much sooner than we think. So, is Kalki already among us? Is he an ordinary man living in some village, waiting for his divine purpose? Or is he yet to be born in the future, when the darkness becomes unbearable? The scriptures give us hints, but the mystery remains unsolved. And maybe, that's the whole point. What do you think? Has Kalki Avatar already taken birth, or are we still waiting for the great savior of Kaliyuga? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more untold mysteries of Indian mythology.